Hello, my name is Russ Merrick. I'd like to welcome you to the manufacturing facility of Merrick Machine Company located here in Alden, Nebraska. Today what we have for you is the 855 casing saw. We're going to go through a quick demonstration in this video. I'm going to go through some of the controls, some of the features, some of the items that actually happen on this machine, and what they can actually do for you, our customer. 855, we're going to start on this side real quick. All 855 saws come standard with a transformer. Not two power connects, just one. Okay? Two power connects generally cost a heck of a lot more money. We build them right, we do it right the first time. Transformer. Then you got a quick disconnect box on each machine. All the controls are actually inside one box. Everything's on this end of the machine. You've got two covers here that you can lift on and off. Just remove the knobs. You need to get in, change blades, change your backup blocks, and so forth. On the main controls here, we've got the on-off. It's keyed. Then we've got the power on. Once you've actually keyed it on, turned on, spring-loaded, you can see the light comes on automatically. We can do lefts or rights, whether they're 90 or 45. We also have kerf. Kerf's available. You can buy this machine with kerf or without. Just let your sales representative know at the time. Emergency stop. All you have to do is hit the red button at any one time. It will actually kill all the power and dump the air. There's a dump valve in here, automatic. We also have another, try and get it in here in the shot, there's another red button for emergency stop. Back in the main controls, we have an overload light. In case there's a situation where you're overloading the motor, the light will come on. Check the overload setting possibly. Next thing we have is the saw motors. Are they on or off? Okay. We've got key switches for each one of those items. The main hopper setup that we have here, operators going to come in here shortly, run this machine as I walk around and talk. Go through it. He's actually going to take each one of the pieces of casing, lay them in place against a series of cylinder stops at the end. Hold up the entire lug, keep everything up against this working surface. We've got a working fence over here. It's all adjustable. You can move it back and forth. Generally it's set. You really don't move it too much. Load them all up. You're running about 24 to 27 pieces a minute. We'll cycle through this machine. We try and run at a steady pace so we're not prematurely wearing the machine out. Yes, it can go quite faster, but you're also wearing the parts out. We're looking for long-term consistency for the machinery. Another thing we have over here is a start and stop. The green button, and once again the red button is emergency stop. Down here on the feed arms. Okay. I'm going to actually pull all this material out of the way real quick so I can show you the scale system. Set this down on the floor. The 855 saw, hopefully you can see this. The adjustable carriage is on the right hand side of the machine. We're running back and forth against the working platinums in this area. And we have a stenciled scale that actually runs the length of the machine, and we have two pointers here. Hopefully we can get a shot of this in the video here for you, but we have one marked as head and one marked as the leg. All you have to do is we have a red stop on this side to break it free. Basically it's locked in place. Release it with the red stop, take your handle, crank it back and forth. Crank's really easy. One hand, two fingers, and then go ahead and just reset it. Take your red handle, lock it back into place, and it's there. And the carriage isn't going anywhere. Works really well. Once again, ideal. You've got the main drive shaft on the bottom. It keeps actually both sides keyed back and forth. And we have a rack and pinion drive system underneath. Make sure that the carriage stays in place so we can accurately cut both ways. Also we have some outfeed bars, so as the material starts to come out, it'll actually feed into here. You can have a cart set up or some sort of tray where everything will just fall into place. Very fast, quick machine. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to have the operator come on, and we're going to go ahead and run a few pieces through. And we're actually going to look at the controls here. Go ahead and set everything up like you normally would. It's going to run a leg 45 curve function as well. You can speed everything up and then stop. Use the suspense that you have on the right hand side of the machine. Hit the start button. Straight right to advance the situation. And hit each one of the steps to get forward through. First one coming through is pretty close to you. You got 90 on one end, 45 on this one. And the curve. I don't know if you can see that or not. But here's an example of doing one leg. I'm going to set up to a different leg. I'm going to pull these out of here real quick. Bring stuff over. With 45 on the opposite end, and once again, we've done the curve. Probably went too fast for you. I'm starting to get everything in focus here. Sorry about that. But try and show as best we can. Now we're going to go ahead and cut the head for you. Get some of the stuff out of the way here real quick. Just going to turn that over. Set up and do a head. The head's going to be a lot smaller than this, but this demonstrates quite nicely. We've got a curve in the center of the material each time. We've actually got quite a few of these. What you're going to do is set this up, have several bunks of material. You're going to have a jam card in place. Operator can just go through and run for an hour or maybe 2 hours a day and get a week's worth of production all set and ready to go. This is the 855 Ruvo casing saw. Once again, it's part of our Ruvo product line. It goes along with the 928 series pre-hung door machinery, the fastest machinery there is. Unique, versatile, quick machine, fast changeover. If you have any questions, please call the factory at 1-800-568-7423. Once again, my name is Russ Mary.